Alam nyo guys, napapansin ko recently, napakalaki nung demand for video editing like Fiverr, Online Jobs PH, Upwork. So, video editing is something that you can definitely make money on online. So, halimbawa, bago ka pa lang or wala kang experience sa pag-video editing, meron akong share sa inyo today kung saan hindi nyo kailangan ng expert skill para maging video editor. Hello everyone! My name is Mimi and welcome to my home-based story kung saan lagi tayo nag-share ng mga bagong videos regarding work from home. Kaya naman kung bago kayo sa ating channel, please consider subscribing. Yung i-share ko sa inyo is about Invideo. So make sure you stay with me para makita nyo kung gaano siya kadaling gamitin and kung paano nyo ma-leverage ito para maging source of income nyo online. When you go to their website, ito yung dashboard na makikita nyo. Makikita nyo dito sa taas that they have Premade Templates, Article to Video, and Blank Template. Itong Premade Templates, ayan, meron na dyan mga sizes na pwede nyong pagpilian. And makikita nyo na din dyan yung mga different kinds of templates that you can use. So, kagaya nito, this is for a resume, a video resume, ayan. And meron din dyan yung mga intro and outro ng ating videos. Ayan, like if you're promoting a brand or halimbawa gagawa ka ng ads or even other categories, marami silang pwedeng pagpilian and pwedeng yung i-customize dito sa page nila na to. So guys, they have over 3,000 pre-made templates na pwede nyong pagpilian. Ganong karami. And apart from that, over 3 million na content like images or layovers, ayan, na pwede nyong gamitin to customize your designs. So apart from pre-made templates, they also have article to video. So halimbawa, meron kang article like a blog, ayan, pwede mo siyang gawing video, ayan. So, kung makikita nyo sa Facebook, di ba minsan, they have those text at the bottom of a video. Parang similar dun tong article to video. And then, the last one is a blank template kung saan pwede kayong mag-start kung paano nyo gustong gawin yung inyong projects and you want to create your own design and be your own creator, then pwede nyo itry tong blank template. Ayan. So, try muna natin to guys, yung pre-made template. So, as you know, we have a new channel and we're gonna be using Invideo to create our intro or yung intro ng ating channel, no? So, syempre, pipiliin natin is YouTube landscape. And so, pwede nyo guys i-preview yung effect using that arrow down and then it's gonna show you kung paano yung magiging itsura niya. I like this blue. Let's click on use template and then ilo-load niya yung parang editor nila, no? So, ang gagawin nyo lang is follow yung mga screen prompts. So, sabi dyan, i-upload daw yung logo. So, let's select the logo that we did. And then, let's just click on done. And, ipapakita niya yan sa'yo. Pwede nyo siyang i-resize by clicking on the element. Tapos, meron dyan mga button sa paligid na pwede nyong hawakan or i-point yung mouse and then, ayan, i-drag nyo kung saan nyo siya gusto. And then, if you wanna play and see it, all you have to do is just click on play and it's gonna play the video for you. So, let's see how this looks like. O, diba, guys? Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-effort. Kailangan nyo lang lagay yung logo dyan. Let's try another preset kasi parang medyo hindi magkatugma yung color nila, no? So, let's see it. Let's upload again our logo. Open natin. Ayan. Click on done. I think this works better with the logo kasi parehas bilog yung nasa middle. Okay, so makikita nyo guys dito sa side. Sa right side, nandyan yung inyong mga tools for the element. So, makikita nyo dyan, pwede nyo siyang palitan ng colors. So, kagaya nito, ang element natin is yung logo. So, we can remove the background, tapos we can change the background colors. Ayan, dyan siya lahat. And then, dito naman guys, sa left side, makikita nyo dyan yung, halimbawa gusto nyo maglagay dyan ng image, or ng music, or text, stickers, effects, different kinds of shapes. Yung left panel yung gagamitin natin. And then you can adjust the timing here, dun sa timeline. Yung timeline nyo guys, yung nasa babay, nakikita nyo dyan where it says add scene. And then we can just play it. And ang maganda dito, ang nagustuhan ko dito, pwede nyo na siyang isama or meron na siyang effect for the social media handles like sa Facebook, sa Twitter, and sa Instagram. So, all I have to do there is just type it. Hindi ko na kailangan gawin to on the video. Ayan. So, kasama na siya doon sa intro, no? Kasi yung dito sa video natin sa Mimi Story, minano-mano ko lahat. Nung nag-start pa lang ako. Here, you could just move it around and resize it. Ayan, ganyan siya kadali. Ayan. Na pag ready na kayo guys and masaya na kayo dun sa kinalabsan ng video ninyo, then all you have to do is just click on preview and export. And then click lang natin yung export video. Ayan. So, makikita nyo dyan processing. Usually guys, kapag mag-export kayo ng project, it usually takes a while. So, pwede nyo siyang balikan later. Ayan. So, para mabalikan nyo guys yung mga project na ginawa nyo, as you can see here, I already have started a couple of projects already. All you have to do, diba? Halimbawa, nasa Invideo kayo na account nyo, punta lang kayo dito sa upper right-hand corner where it says projects. And makikita nyo na tong project nyo. So, if you hover your mouse over it, meron dyang share. Kung gusto nyo i-share sa mga social accounts nyo. Or you can also download it. Let's say, you want to save it on your computer or upload it from your computer to YouTube or kung saan mang social media account na gusto nyo i-upload. So, you can also do that as well. So, kung napansin nyo guys, merong intelligent virtual assistant na integrated na sa system ni Invideo. If you are just starting out, I definitely recommend that you do Premade Templates first. So, syempre, ando na tayo guys sa how do you monetize this, right? Una, gagawa kayo ng inyong portfolio, diba? So, meron kayo dito mga different kinds of resume portfolios. Click natin tong all. Halimbawa, gusto nyo gumawa ng portfolio kagaya nitong copywriter na si Peter Joe. So, you can take the Premade template. Ayan, meron na din siyang sound, guys. Ayan, so ang maganda talaga dito kay Invideo is if you wanna use background photos or mga music, hindi ka na mag-aalala sa copyright strikes kasi yung media library nila is copyright free for everyone to use. So, hindi mo na kailangan magkalkal kung alin ba yung gagamitin mong music or any image na hindi ka ma-red flag online, diba? Etong kay Joe, maganda siya. Maganda yung presentation niya. So, imagine presenting this to a client looking for a video editor. So, kita pa lang niya na, uy, maganda yung pagka-present niya ng portfolio niya. So, if you're applying for a video editor, mas okay kung video din yung gagamitin nyo na resume. So, that's how you can start landing a job and you can use Invideo with your client to produce a more engaging story videos din, diba? Ayan, here are some of the examples that you can do for, let's say, your client as well. So, sobrang dami nito, guys. Like, hindi ko na siya maiisa-isa. Like, they have over 3,000. Like I said, they have over 3,000 templates. And you can always try to search it here. So, one of the other things na maganda dito kay Invideo is you don't need to install any kind of software on your computer. You can just edit your videos online. So, there you go guys, that's Invideo. And if you are interested to try their application or their platform, all you have to do is just click on the link down below and iti-take na niya kayo directly doon sa portal nila. And if you use my code, you'll get a 25% off on their service plan, which comes in a very low price of just $10 per month. So, if you're just starting out, you can definitely leverage on this. They also have a free version where you can try it first kung gusto mo na i-try out yung platform muna nila. So, they also have that. If you are serious about making money online, then video editing may be one of the online jobs that is for you. I'll just drop the link below so you can take advantage of their offer for our subscribers. Ayan, so thank you guys again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our second channel, The Budgetarian Tech Review, kung saan pinopost natin yung ating mga equipment reviews kung balak nyong mag-build ng inyong home office. Ayan. And for other work at home videos, I'll see you again on our next video. Bye!